This is the Jialong fully automated packaging line. It starts with our high-speed vacuum packaging machine, the LZB-1200 series. The system automatically feeds, opens, and positions each bag, ensuring continuous and reliable operation. Powered by a Siemens PLC, our high-precision weighing system ensures every bag meets the target weight. An advanced vacuum system creates a perfectly sealed and shaped package, protecting the product and extending its shelf life. The finished products are then seamlessly transported to the next phase, our intelligent automatic case packer. The case packer automatically erects cartons while organizing the incoming products for packing. A robotic arm then gently and precisely places the products into the cases, completing the packing cycle. From product to pallet, Jialong provides a complete, turnkey automation solution.